National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a snow squall warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey, northern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, eastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 3 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Greenwood Lake to near Bridgewater, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 18 and 54. Garden State Parkway near mile marker 133. Locations impacted include Morristown, Newton, Bridgewater, Carteret, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, Hackettstown, Chatham, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, and Morris Plains. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. At 2 p.m.,